all the time.
My puppy back? Is my puppy back? Uh-oh.
Oh no! There's trouble at the off-grid cabin.
Timber's sad.
Timber's like, Dad, just stop being goofy and get my damn toy. The only thing that's gotten him out of his funk the last couple days.
It's been in a sad doggy funk.
Yeah. I think he thought his brother was going to be back up here.
Right here.
So,
come on.
Anyway, we're going to get on it now. We did the solar shed. Now we're going to get some siding on this side, I think, right? All right, let's go. A little bit more, a little. Whenever you see it. Straight piece out of the whole bunch.
Blind squirrel gets in out once in a while. This seems like a good spot that chipmunks and squirrels might hide in. I think I'm gonna explore in here. Alright.
This is all live edge slash trim slash stuff we can use.
Okay.
So alright guys, we did this on the front of the cabin. We're gonna use these thin strips for the first piece as like a starter, and then put our first piece of live edge above that. What?
This is all maple, right? We're done with it
Yeah,
for
we're
right now?
done with it right now.
What if I put it done with?
Underneath the front of the cabin or something, so it's not,
Okay.
doesn't get wet anymore. Nice stuff.
You do it.
Caution, caution, caution.
That's gonna be hard for that next strip then.
Figure it out. The thinner one, so it's down lower. Good. That looks like some rain, maybe.
Well, the radar says let's go good for 5, but the clouds tell me otherwise. The sky and the wind definitely tell me the storms are closer than the radar tells me. Radar makes me feel like I have till like 5. The current sky definitely. Took you guys for a spill there. The radar says there's no clouds over us, but I would beg to differ.
Play it.
Well, we're calling it quits for the day. Because guess what? It's raining again. We'll kill it tomorrow. Rain's just kind of a huge dampener this summer. Definitely a major halter of getting projects done this year. Good morning, ladies and gents. So we are gonna go check out the garden and see how that's doing. It's been raining a lot, so that's good. So let's check it out and see what we have over here. Some more peppers here. I'm gonna pick them again so the plant can continue to thrive. Got some jalapenos. Back here we have nice big banana pepper. tomatoes that are growing there that are getting big. My lemongrass is growing big, so don't know if that's working to keep bugs and stuff away, but we can pretend. Look at all those tomatoes. Yum, yum. Let's pull some. We can put them in our breakfast. Got a nice little successful haul here. Look at that. A nice little handful of beautiful, delicious fruit or vegetables. Take these down to Jason, and he's getting breakfast cooked. Yum. Thank you, garden, for being successful. We're gonna kick some butt today. So, gonna go eat and get to work.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may. Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old eyes. And my crooked little heart that seems so rebellious is falling apart right now. I'm bleeding, an easy kill, gonna leave it all behind. I think it's time for me to go, burn all
What you think so far, guys? Looking good, huh? Looking good. Get 2 or 3 more rows up here. And go eat some grub. Jason will take a shower probably before we go eat some grub because he's a little moist. Moist.
Moist. A little moist.
Does anybody hate that word? Moist. I know some people don't like it. I don't know why.
It was on a TV show or something, wasn't it? It was on Seinfeld. Because Eileen or something didn't like the word moist. That's why everybody talks about it. It was on a TV show.
I don't know. Was it, guys?
Our 70 3/4 it had gotten a little bit bigger. 70 and 5/8. 70 and 5/8?
Yeah.
Or no? Just
Yeah,
over
that's-
70 and a half?
No, I would do 70 and 3/8.
3/8?
Or 70 and 5/8, like you said, sorry. Or even
Almost
3/4. Yeah,
so
I would do
70 and 5/8.
I would do 3/4 and then you can cut it down.
No, that's why it takes so long, because I do everything twice. You do it once and it works. You see I've been cutting them a little smaller. Well, we've been working. Try to cut it too precise and it takes forever. The level there by your feet. Nope. Go right there. There's a stud next to the trim. There you go.
Right here?
Yep. Push it in.
That's what I get.
Well, now that it's above our head, we gotta move this over.
That's what I get every time you do it.
Alright, put another one in. I don't know if the nail hold it so long.
Right here?
A little lower. There you go.
That's what happens when I stand there. Hammer?
I got it. Alright, one more.
One more roll at least. What you guys think so far?
Just a 1/4 inch off. Go up, there, that's fine. Can you bring it over this way just a touch? Holy cow, it looks like a cabin. It's starting to look like a cabin.
What do you think?
Look at that, guys. Ooh, the sun is hitting it. We need to figure out what we're doing with the covered porch. If we're doing a covered porch. I want to. I just don't know if we can make it work.
So if any of you are
Yeah, I need to talk to Wiley and see what he thinks. Since we already did the interior, I can't really lag bolt anything to the inside. So we'll figure it out. Jenny's not working tonight or in the morning, so we'll get up at like 7, 7:15, 7:30.
What he does every time I am working, he's laying there snoring. Then I'm like, oh, I'm gonna sleep in. You know who's is up at 7 o'clock in the morning? All the time. All right, guys. So I saw on Facebook and on TikTok people making popcorn on their blackstone. So figured, why not try it, right, guys? Something fun to do, something different, and why not? We're gonna sit by a fire tonight, so some fresh made popcorn sounds great. So let's try this out. I know you put like oil and then you put the popcorn on and then you cover it up. That's about all I know. So let's just, you know, experiment. Let's see how this turns out. Why not try it? Oh, I hear it popping. You guys hear it popping? Oh, look it! We got little kernels popping! Look at Timber. He's sitting here like, Mom, I want some popcorn. Oh, look it! It just flew up into the thing. This is great, guys. I'm having way too much fun. Look it! It's almost. Oh, it's. Alright guys, well, I don't know how it tastes. Jason's gonna have to be my taste tester here. Are you decent?
How much of that ended up on the ground? I don't know if Dad should eat it. There's like no salt coming out of here at all. Oh, smells good.
I know, right?
You gotta eat it first. You're the one that made it.
That's actually good. Needs a little butter. What do you think, guys?
Done with this?
Yep. Ta-da! There'll be a little short I'll upload right now tonight onto TikTok and my YouTube channel. So if you're not subscribed to those, go and subscribe. Off Grid with Jen. You might have already seen this by then. I know Sheila and Paul are, so thank you guys for checking in with my videos. Alright guys, we're gonna have a little fire down here tonight because we already had one going.
There we go. Oh, cheers guys.
Johnny did good.
Yeah.
Like I said.
A little bit of firewood dirt, dog, and popcorn.
Oh, what a taste.
Yeah.
It's a true off-grid taste.
Dog and firewood flavored popcorn.
The off-grid with Jay and Jen style popcorn. Voila.
Have a great night, guys.